gesso. Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're gonna walk you through a project we're gonna create. I got these letters from Malacca Unclaimed Freight, and if you haven't seen my Malacca Unclaimed Freight video, check it out right now.
But don't leave this video until you're done watching this video, because I don't want to lose you. Don't go. I'm codependent.
I had to get them, they were $1 each, but because they're made of MDF, they're gonna soak up paint like crazy, and they need to be primed. It probably would be a better idea to spray paint these things white, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna paint them.
And it's gonna be super fun, and you're all gonna love watching it happen. I can't promise that you'll love it, but I'm gonna think that you're gonna love it, so in turn, you probably are gonna love it.
First, you just wanna take your brush, put it into the paint.
Duh. I think everybody knows that, Jax.
Okay, look at that. This is turning out so good.
Oh my gosh, you're the next Bob Ross. I got some joy in my hand. I got some joy in my hand.
You're singing the song wrong.
It's not wrong. I just made that up.
I got the O done. So now I'm moving on to the Y.
Why?
Why not?
Oh my gosh, folks, look at that white paint. You know you love it. Woohoo! Oh my god, it's so on fleek.
Did you know that On Fleek is being replaced by Snatch, Iconic, or whatever you want to call stuff that you think is cool? All I know is that Snatch is stupid, and that is my opinion.
And these are the days of our lives.
You know what would be really cool if I crackled the front end with crackle paint?
Yeah, Jax, do that.
That's what the whole crowd just said.
I didn't hear him, Jax.
That's because you're deaf, Sassy. You only hear what you want to hear.
Now you sound like my mom.
Because it's the truth.
What brings you joy? Is it your dog? Is it your friends? Is it your hobby? Is it the boat you just bought? Is it the fish you just caught?
If you've got the opportunity to feel joyful today and to feel gratitude, then I say do it. Life is all right.
Everything's gonna be okay. Oh yeah.
Friends, family, art, my steady paycheck, my health, and this YouTube channel has brought me quite a bit of joy. I really have fun doing it. I'm kind of thinking about polka dots, maybe some yellow background with like some pink polka dots or whatever. I don't even know, but polka dots sound really fun. And maybe polka dots on one, stripes on another, and maybe stars on one, or I don't know, I have so many stencils, it'd be really kind of fun to use them.
Easy as pie, lemon, apple or cherry. Loving you is so very sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be such a piece of cake? And your smile is the icing. Loving you is a poem. It's sweet, sweet, sweet. How can it be? And you make my candy coated heart melt. When you take my hand and I am under your spell. Baby, I crave your affection. When I stepped in sweet confection, honey, you're my sugar.
I used this stencil and I stenciled on some neon orange paint and I totally dig it. I think I might do pink and then turquoise on this side, green on this side, and then maybe black on the back. And while I do that, I'm going to put you on a time lapse to hear some happy music.
Or sad music.
Whatever I decide at the moment. This is an older painter's tape, which means that the glue on the back has really gotten quite sticky. So I'm going to resort to some newer painter's tape that is not as tacky and it's thicker. Now I'm just making sure that's a tight seal there. Now I should be able to paint it without major spillage on the other side. I will see you in a little bit.
I'm pleased as punch, whether spiked or sparkling. You make me tipsy and bubbly. If you're dessert, I want the last course first. Oh, how I love all your candy kisses, and I'm addicted. Oh, 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 I can't have just one. No, you make my candy coated heart melt when you take my hand.
I have so much joy. I love this project. I think it was fun. Can you imagine looking at that on your shelf every day?
I mean, stop it. Yeah, I'm so joyous just listening to you, Jax.
Whatever, Sassy. I don't need your sarcasm today.
What do you mean? Aren't you full of joy?
I will sign the bottom pieces and put this on my shelf.
I'm so happy. Joy. I'm going to leave you with a quote from Mariana Williamson. Joy is what happens to us when we allow ourselves to recognize how good things really are.
And I truly 100% believe this to my core. We all have a choice on how we want to react to life. Not every day is easy, and there are certain situations where joy is just really hard and very difficult to find. But sometimes when we do have a choice and things are going well for us, maybe make a decision to find joy. I hope you find joy in everything you do. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things,
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love your guts. Bye!